This is Redmi 13, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So in the beginning, you can launch your device's settings, go into the Wi-Fi category and try switching the Wi-Fi feature off and on. You can also try forgetting whatever network you're having problems with. So let's say this is the network that I am experiencing issues with. So I want you to forget the network and connect or reconnect your phone to the very same Wi-Fi network to see if it will fix your problem. You can also try to synchronize your time and date, or to put it in other words, make sure that your date and time are set correctly and properly. And this very quick and easy thing to do. You will need to once again launch settings, then go into the additional settings category. Here open the date and time page and switch on the set time automatically and set time zone automatically options. Make sure that they are enabled. And the final troubleshooting method you can try is to reset your Wi-Fi preferences and settings, and the way to do that is by entering the more connectivity options category of settings. Here go into reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth, and well, tap at the reset settings button. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, but as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.